But the platypus can become a surprise attacker. Its hidden weapons: sharp spurs located above the heels of its hind legs. Both sexes have these spurs at birth, yet females shed theirs at 3 months. This difference reveals the spur's primary purpose: male-to-male combat. Males use their lethal daggers most frequently during mating season, fending off rivals and showing their dominance. These dueling weapons make them one of the only venomous mammals on Earth. The spur works like a hypodermic needle, injecting a lethal cocktail of over 25 compounds from a toxic gland inside the animal's upper thigh. The sting is excruciating. In seconds, it causes bleeding and burning. Victims like dogs and cats die.